मैं रोने लग जाऊंगी ये ट्राई ऑन करते करते। कौन है? हद हो गई यार। Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Joe and today's video is gonna be about Shein. Yes, I know Shein's been banned in India. This video was long overdue. I shopped a lot last year and in the beginning of this year, and this video was supposed to go live in the month of March. But due to some reason, I wasn't able to edit that, and by the time I edited this video, Shein got banned in India, and I was so furious, so unhappy because I planned a Shein haul of accessories, but I can't tell you how frustrated I was. And I'm sure there were tons of girls who were frustrated and unhappy with the ban. Having said that, I really want to put this across that I really respect government's decision, and as a citizen of India, whatever I can do, I support and stand by. I really didn't care about other bunch of apps that got banned, but Shein was love. It's nothing against that I'm not supporting the decision. It's just that you know that feeling कि आपका एक favorite restaurant है, आप हमेशा वहाँ जाते हैं. Any occasion you just go there and eat, and all of a sudden that restaurant gets closed. That feeling. All said and done, now we'll have to hop on something else because you never know, you find something better than Shein. We girls feel disappointed. The primary reason is number one, there is not really an alternative to Shein in India. अगर आपको एक बहुत ही स्टाइलिश और chic clothing का कोई online store मिलता है, that may or may not be as cheap or affordable as Shein. Most important feature of Shein was it had all the sizes. That's the struggle I've come across. But again, जिस तरीके से मैंने ये वीडियो प्लान करी थी, ये वैसे होने वाली है. मुझे प्रॉपर ट्राई ऑन दिखाना था because there are a lot of stuff that I haven't even opened, so I wanted to just show you the prices and the link. Now that has lost all the relevance, so I thought why not I share with my audience alternatives to Shein that I have tried. I want to tell you that I have shopped from these websites or stores, and I find these may fit as an alternative to Shein. Got a list prepared. If you still want to see my Shein accessories collection, you can skip directly to this timestamp. Or if you're interested in knowing what are the alternatives I think to Shein is, then keep on watching. Now, I have divided into three major categories: clothing, accessories, and third is shoes. And I'm gonna share screenshots here just to show you what kind of clothing or what kind of things you would expect from this website, and you can go ahead and buy if you may. Clothing, it's an Instagram store. I found really amazing styles. It's called Eva Young. It's EWA. And it also has a website, so you can go there and check out. On this website, you get a lot of cute crop tops, mini skirts, bralettes, and pretty blouse. You can check the description box below. You will find the link to their page or the website and check the stuff. It's really amazing. The only con is it's not as cheap as Shein, but if price is not something that concerns you, then you would be able to find some of the similar stuff to Shein on this page. Second Instagram store is Bay. Recently come across this Instagram store. If you are a fan of crop tees, crop tops, t-shirts with graphics and a lot of like good code, variety of colors, I'm sure you would love it. What they do is they upload the pictures of the real customers rather than a model, so you can really see how it looks on them before making the purchase decision for yourself. For accessories, or I would say if you want a signature pendant or a customized necklace, rings to t-shirts, there are a lot of stuff on this Instagram store. It's called Regium. You get t-shirts and necklaces from 200 to 500 bucks. It's really affordable, and the quality you get because I've purchased 2-3 things from this store, and the quality you get is amazing. I'll add a picture here. I've got a customized necklace with Vaheguru written on it, and it was really good in quality. It did not oxidize with the wear, and I got a lot of compliments on that, so you can check that out. And their tagline is royalties for commoner. That means knockoffs t-shirts of Gucci and Calvin Klein, and it's really good to have if you just want to you don't want to shed a lot of bucks and you still want to wear some branded stuff. Second alternative is H&M. I wouldn't say it's an alternative because I say this all the time to my friends that whatever you see on Shein is actually a knockoff of H&M and Zara. Shein was all about cheap stuff, affordable stuff. So the same top, or I'd say a same bag that you'll see on H&M for about 2,000 bucks, or at Zara for about 4,000 bucks, you would find on Shein for about 800 bucks. That was the difference. Yeah, when you pay more at H&M or Zara, you pay for the quality. But the best thing about H&M is we have app up and running of H&M that you can download from App Store, and it has all the stuff that you could find at a store. It's really amazing. Their service is good. Within 5 to 7 working days you get your order delivered. So H&M is something that you can't do without. This website is Candidjyo. It is such an underrated app. You would find a lot of stuff at amazing discounts. You can find branded stuff like Levi's, Gap, Mango at amazing discount. I'm not sure how they give you such a reasonable price of a branded top that you won't see on a discount. At Candidjyo you could find from branded to local brands as well. So checking at Candidjyo, the wallets, shoes and clothes you can find for less than 500 bucks. Yes, it gives you amazing styles for cheaper price. So yeah, looking for an affordable option, then Candidjyo is the one. Next up is Myntra. Myntra is humongous. You can find each and everything on Myntra, from clothing to accessories to bags to shoes to home decor. Lot of stuff. You would find 20 to 30,000 t-shirts of different brands. So what brands you can filter with and find the styles similar to Shein. Now for earrings, I have one brand for you. It's not really cheap, but if you go and search for this brand, the accessories, majorly the earrings that you get would remind you of Shein, and that's called, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, it's Avant-Garde Paris. And I'm gonna just share with you, I'm just gonna show you what I bought. The accessories in this package box जो designer jewelry shop से मिलता है ना, like that. And this is one of the earrings I bought. Look at that, how pretty it is. It's about 600 bucks, but designs, there are amazing drop earrings available. A lot of good stuff that you can't resist, I promise. Now moving on to clothes. On Myntra, now if you want to have similar designs to what you find on Shein, you gotta look for, the first one is Berry Lush. I'm gonna add some pictures so that you can find out what exactly I'm talking about. It's very, very wishy. Athena. Besiba. Then UNF. This is such a cheap brand that I saw. You could find a lot of tops, dresses under 500 bucks. The next one is, I'm not sure ये pronounce कैसे होता है, Sassafras or Sass AF Ras. I'm not sure, but this is a brand. Amazing stuff, lot of chic and stylish dresses that you can find from here. And last but not the least is Rare. These are the brands that you can specifically look for when shopping on Myntra that will give you kind of similar designs to Shein fashion. One is this app or the website which is called Lulu and Sky. Now this one is again so underrated app. Specifically, I would recommend for shoes, the footwear. You can find amazing footwear. You wouldn't even believe the designs and the style that you get in footwear would seem like it's by a designer brand, but you would find that under 500 bucks. Yes, I've not seen a lot of girls discovering this app. Have to check out that app. Now the last but not the least is one of my favorite brands for clothing, which is Fab Alley. I've done a Fab Alley haul on my channel. I'll add a link right here. The dresses, crop tops, blouses, jeans, palazzos, anything and everything. The best part about Fab Alley is, like Shein, it gives you an option to shop for plus size. It has a different section dedicated to plus size women called Fab Alley Curve. I got a lot of questions on my Fab Alley haul video. Would you shop on Fab Alley again? And are the clothes any good? I vouch for their quality. Amazing, like designer dresses to give you exact fitting. They have a zipper right here. I'm really not sure why it's so underrated in India, and I want to give them a big shout out and my personal recommendation that you start checking out the app called Fab Alley. From the shipping point of view, pricing, styling, and the collection they have got, it's an A+. Now before ending this video, I just quickly want to show you what I have from Shein. In short, my accessories collection from Shein. Starting from my favorite thing, you would see this in a lot of videos of mine. The denim inspired baseball cap, and it's got holiday mood on it. I really love it. I'm glad that I bought it. Next up is I got this pack of choker. I remember when Shein was just opened in India, there was a trend of chokers. So I bought this whole bunch of chokers, and it has a lot of, I think it has 10 to 12 different chokers. This is really pretty. I think this whole bunch was 500 or 600 bucks. I always cherish what I bought from Shein because you don't find stuff like this on any other website. And if you do, like on Myntra and stuff, you find a single choker, 600. Yeah. It's in pink, holographic. This statement belt. It is so broad and खुद किसी भी dress पे style करती हूँ. It's a style statement actually. I've used it a couple of times and it's not degraded its quality. It's so elegant. I love leopard and snake patterns. I wish I had bought a snake pattern as well, but I'm glad that I got this. Without this sling, it looks so chic if you want to just hold it like this. It works with saris, dresses. I got one more belt, and this is in the rainbow color. I saw this, I instantly bought it because it's a great way to add color to a basic boring dress, especially on a solid white or solid black dress. If मैं रोने लगे होंगे ये try on करते करते. कौन है? क्यों? हद हो गई यार. Next up is one more belt, and it comes a beautiful leaf pattern, and ये साड़ी पर इतना अच्छा लगता है. The new trend going on that you put it over sari or like a basic top. This is stretchable, so any size can wear it. This is my favorite belt. Next up is this cuff link. Add dimension to your arm. You can put a watch here, and it looks really nice. Wear it pins. These are so in trend. I don't find similar ones on any other website for this price. I've got it for about what, 200 bucks, and it was a set of 3. And one is in the word love and kiss, rhinestones, and this one is with pearls. So pretty. Next up is my shades and glasses collection. So I always bought a bunch of glasses from Shein because those are so cheap. In 200-250 bucks you get glasses like these. See that? These are so chic. You also get it in tinted glasses. So मैं इसमें से glasses निकलवा के अपने prescription glasses लगा रही थी. And the jugaad always works, as you see. This clear one. See that? Looks so cool. My favorite. I still have the prescription glasses in these. Leopard love. समर वेकेशन जैसे बीच पहन के जाएंगे, यहाँ पे आप पे पानी गिरेगा और ये खराब हो जाएंगे, बट स्टिल फॉर वन टाइम यूज $250, not a bad deal at all. This one is so cool. It's so edgy, so chic, so stylish. And guess the price. This is packed क्योंकि कोई occasion आया ही नहीं इसको use करने का. Now I'm gonna open it in front of you. This is a layered necklace. Oh, it looks so pretty. H&M पे आपको हमेशा ये joint मिलेंगी. So, आपके पास कोई option नहीं है इकट्ठे पहनने के बजाय, but in this you get to wear it separately or even together, and an unopened piece. It's so cool for a party or get together. Oh god, this is cool. I always wanted something in red, but इसको पहनने का अभी भी कोई occasion नहीं है मेरे पास. But yeah, feel good vibe. This one I wore in the New Year party and I got a lot of compliments by random girls there. These are one of my favorite earrings. I have these feather earrings. The kind of collection it is unmatched. Now these kind of earrings look so pretty with basic clothing. Now if you're wearing like basic stuff and you just want to add a hint of style, so that is pretty much it. Apart from H&M and Zara, I've told you 6 different alternatives to Shein. I'm sure इनमें से एक ऐप या वेबसाइट हर एक इंडिविजुअल को तो पसंद आएगी. If you want something for your retail therapy, or if you want something to let you sink in that feeling that Shein got banned, I'm sure this is gonna help you. And if you like my video, do give it a thumbs up and comment below which one is the best alternative to Shein. Subscribe to my channel as well, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye.